Hi, in this video I will show you how you can set up your supplemental feed for the price labelizer. So first of all, what you need to do is check your add-ons. And because in a new merchant center, you need to enable the supplemental feed option yourself. And you do this by going to add-ons. In the top right corner, you go to the gear icon and then you have your add-ons. From there, you see a lot of your add-ons which you can enable, and the one you need to enable is Advanced Data Source Management. This will allow you to upload a supplemental feed. Then the next step, after you've done enabling your add-ons, you go again to the top right corner to the gear icon, and then you select data sources. In here you find your primary sources, but also your supplemental sources. And what you need to do is go to the supplemental sources, and then click the button Add Supplemental Product Data. This will allow you to upload your supplemental feed. From here, you select the box Add Product Data from a file, and you paste in the spreadsheet URL in the box where you can do this. Please keep in mind that after the /edit, you need to remove everything that's after it, because otherwise it won't allow it to continue. So after you've done that, you need to change the schedule. We like to run the script weekly instead of daily or monthly, because if you run it daily, then the products in the spreadsheet will move daily, of course, but also in the campaigns. And you don't want this in your campaigns, because then the algorithm has to adapt very quickly on a daily basis, and that's very hurtful for your algorithm. You want it to do it weekly, because then you have fresh data, but it doesn't impact the algorithm that much. And monthly is just too long. A lot can happen in a month. A lot can go wrong with performance or products change. So weekly is a good option to choose from. And after you've done that, then you can select your primary data sources. And you can do this by just clicking the box and selecting one of them from the drop-down menu. You can do this for one specific country or feed, or just for multiple. Then after you have created your supplemental feed, it gets a generic name, but you can change this. So what you need to do is go to the supplemental feed setting, and from there you rename the source name, and you can do this to whatever you want. For example, Labelizer, price Labelizer, whatever you want. So that's how you set up the supplemental feed in Cook Merchant Center, and that's everything for this video.